Hi, welcome back to Natural Beauty with Melanie. Today I am here to do an unboxing of the October 2021 Petit Vour box. I just got it in the mail and I just did the little opening that far and figured that we could unbox it together. So let's get into it. All right, looks like we have 4 products. All right, let's see. This first one is K Voss Blushing Beauty Luminous Brush Palette. This looks like a nice size. Capitalizing on like a quiet moment while the babysitter's here and stuff. So just like, okay, they're downstairs in the basement. Let's do this. All right. So this is the Luminous Brush Palette. They all look, they're not really that different looking in color, I think. But that's cool. Apparently one is Cora, one is, the colors are Cora, Rosy, and Peaches, based on the back. So, Ultra Blendable Powder Blush. Let's see. So it has a value of $36. An ultra blendable powder brush palette in a versatile trio of balancing, brightening, cleansing, and skin cushioning formulas that create a natural, healthy glow. I have added blushes to my, or putting on blush to my routine when I do my makeup. But I already have, in the year, almost a year that I've gotten this Petit Vour box, I've gotten at least 2 cream blush pots. And I've barely made a dent in them. So I have more blush than I need. It's just not a huge blush user, but I guess I'll explore with this and try it out this month. But not a product that I'm like super excited about. All right, let's see what this is. Bakuchiol Booster by Bybi or Bybi. Never know how to say their name, B-Y-B-I. It says, give your skin a boost. It is a facial oil, a natural vegan-friendly retinol alternative. It's a plant-derived alternative to retinol, vitamin A. It's combined with olive squalane, and it helps to stimulate collagen production whilst improving tone and texture to leave skin feeling smoother, softer, and more even. So it says, dab oil onto hands and apply directly to face or mix into your moisturizers, serums, or masks. Use daily as part of your nighttime routine. It says ingredients, squalane, olive, and bakuchiol. So it's like a booster. Let's find out what the information is about this. Bakuchiol booster. Oh, the value is $1. A nighttime booster that stimulates collagen production and dramatically improves the texture of skin without irritating it. Okay. Kind of like almost like one of those little perfume samples. I'm just gonna dab a little on my hand just to see out of curiosity. I just was like kind of curious if there's a scent or anything. A little bit, yeah. Nothing noteworthy for a scent. Sort of like nothing in a way. Yeah. Okay. I think I could get down with this and try it out this month. Bakuchiol Booster. All right. Oh, geez. Of course, it just flew out of the little package. All right. Next up, we have 3 Ships. I had something from this brand last month. Face wash. It's okay. All right. This is their Buttercream Hydrating Lip Mask. Ooh, it smells really good. Smells like very gourmand, like dessert. $15 value for this. Nourishing and restorative lip mask. Hydrates lips from within while also providing a protective barrier to lock in moisture. 0.5 ounces. I already have lipstick on and I want to like mess it up. My hair is wacky, but whatever. So, oh, it's kind of like a little greasy. Anyways, there's not much for me to like show you here, but It's not super firm. I thought it was going to be like really like hard, but it's like kind of like a little, you know, a little like greasy in a way. But it smells so good. I know you can't smell it. Like vanilla, like icing, you know, it kind of reminds me of funfetti cake, which I love. I'll probably enjoy using this. I really don't love a potted lip balm. This is nice that it's like, you know, like frosted glass packaging. Like that's pretty nice. I just have a lot of lip products and I don't love them in a pot, but maybe what I'll do is I'll use this for like my nighttime lip balm. I put a lip balm on and a hand cream every night before bed. So maybe what I'll do is I'll put this as my hydrating lip mask for the month and use it. We'll see, but that's kind of nice. Last product we have is a konjac sponge, an all-natural face exfoliator. So it says, rinse the sponge with clean water before use. Gently massage the skin in a circular motion. Can be used with or without cleansers or soap. And then rinse clean afterwards and kind of press gently with the 2 hands to drain. So konjac sponge is a $10 value. Both biodegradable and compostable, this all-natural konjac facial sponge gently cleanses and softens all skin types, including sensitive and newborn. I would never put this on a newborn's face. I mean, so I've used these before. I had a body one that I recently threw away because it had started to like get pink stuff on it, which I don't exactly know what that means, but it wasn't a good thing. And I liked it for, instead of a loofah, but it was like 18 bucks. It was expensive, I think, for the amount of time it lasted and stuff. Anyways, it looks like very abrasive, like in this form, but once you get it wet and it gets soft and everything, it is nice. I have like 2 different face konjac sponges, that I rarely use. I have it like hanging so I can see it every day, but I don't often use it. I like to be pretty gentle with my face. If I'm going to do an exfoliant, I usually use like a face wash exfoliant or something versus like some tool. But I will experiment with this this month and let you know. All right, so the biggest item in the box was the Kvoss Blushing Beauty Palette. That was $36. And then we have the konjac sponge, which was $10. And that was from F-E-T-E, FET is the brand. Oh, it means from earth to earth. Okay. From earth to earth, I think, you know, it's all natural. So we're at 46 plus 15. So about 70-ish. No, 60-ish plus 1. So we're like at a 60-something value with the Bakuchiol booster added. So, all right. So kind of not a box that initially thrills me, but I will enjoy experimenting with these different things. Yeah, I'm really starting to become like looking at the Petit Vour box with a critical eye. I am sure I don't want to renew for a year, I think. That's what I had initially. I had been gifted last Christmas. I'm thinking maybe 6 months and give it another 6 months and kind of go from there. And we'll see what we get. So that's everything. Definitely let me know your thoughts. If you get the Petit Vour box, did you get similar items or different ones? I know that some people got this blushing palette before in the past. So I'd be curious if you've used it and what you think and stuff. Yeah, so let me know. I look forward to talking to you in the comments below. And please click the subscribe button and I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.